Good evening, I'm Tracy Lair. CJ has the night off. Human trafficking task forces are trying to crack down on a growing trend, teens being sexually exploited. Awareness about the problem helped solve a case and save a girl just this week. San Luis Obispo's District Attorney Dan Dow says a 15-year-old girl advertised on Backpage's adult classified website was found in a Best Western motel. 2 men, a woman, and a teen are accused of trafficking her between July 23rd and 28th. Although 16-year-old Nico Anaya is being tried as an adult, cameras were barred from showing him with the other men during their first court appearance on Friday. All 4 could face 15 years to life under a new penal code. They are accused of persuading a minor to engage in commercial sex acts in Santa Cruz, Pismo Beach, and San Luis Obispo. It's the 3rd recent case in San Luis Obispo, and there are similar cases in Ventura and Santa Barbara counties along the 101 corridor.
I can't really comment on the San Luis Obispo investigation or how they plan to prosecute that particular case, but I think it reminds us that on the Central Coast, being that it's a corridor between the northern part of the state and the southern part of the state, that traffickers are using the 101 corridor as a place through which they're trafficking victims. And these things are happening, and law enforcement's becoming very keen to it.
Victim witness assistance programs are there to help.
We really try to meet victims where they are, survivors where they are, and design with them a plan that is most workable. And if that means going home to a foster parent or going back to an adoptive parent, then we try to facilitate those services and counseling once they get back where they are, if they want that.
Posters are being sent to area businesses. They are spreading the word and offering numbers to call, such as 1-888-KEY-TO-FREE. That's the number for the coalition to abolish slavery and trafficking. Tracy Lair.